have a bed like all over your videos today. Hello, so this is Mo.
So subscribe
Yeah, do.
and like. What are the gears you need to hike?
Sneakers that has grips.
Yep, sneakers,
Yes,
sneakers
have
and
grips.
grips. They work.
Socks to cover your legs.
Socks, cover your legs.
This
Long pants.
long pants is so you can either get skinny or joggers type. Then long. This one should be long as well. Cover
Yep.
your arms.
For your
Then
arms.
you need your sun. What's this thing called again? Either a face cap or
Yep.
whatever
And then
this
your
is.
shades.
Then your shades, then SPF on your skin, on your face especially to avoid sunburn.
Okay.
Then lots of water. You need sugar, so you need Coke, you need water. Then you need some gloves. I don't have gloves though. The hiking gel gloves, I don't have them. Necessary. Then what else? I think that's all. Yeah. Then your music. Your
Yep,
is
music
important.
necessary. So basically, we said 1, 2,
2 SPF, on the
3,
skin, 3,
4,
ladies 4, long ones
5,
5,
6,
7.
7.
Yeah, 7.
But then we have your water. 8,
8. Then you have the backpack.
9,
Music.
10,
And for people like me that need help because of our weight.
11, and then sugar.
Sugar, yes, you need sugar.
So these are the 12 things you need to hike. Then you'll be fine, don't worry. And then the courage. You need that courage.
Oh, they are flexing their life. Oh. Oh. Hey.
I'm telling you, she got good vibes.
I know, right? Like, I love your vibes. Like, I'm mad. Mad vibes.
Good vibes only.
Good vibes only.
Yep.
Yalla. So leave it well.